Guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to do a quick review on the Good Young Rock Lobster. You'll probably tell I do love it because I bought another one. So I love it. Honestly, 2 thumbs up. I will say, now we're going on, it's almost 3 weeks now. Actually, it is 3 weeks. So it was 3 weeks Sunday and today is Tuesday. Still looking good. I've been keeping up just with the roots with the No Fade Fresh. But normally I would have way more fading going on. I'm going to say though, if you are somebody who likes to change your hair often, this is not going to be the hair dye for you because this is very long lasting. I never normally have a semi-permanent. I would have had to retouch up my red. So this is very long lasting, so this might not be for you if you like to change it a lot. However, if you like to stick with one color, try it out. Absolutely love it. It smells great. It comes in an actual tube. It's very cute, very nice, it smells good, and it doesn't damage your hair. It's very, very bright. Personally, the one I got the last time, I mean, I'll see with this time, but it was very smooth. It was really consistent. I see some people say they have issues where it looks chunky. Mine didn't do that. I did buy mine from Sally's both times now. Highly recommend. I really like it. I think it gives me good color, gives me good dimension. When I do my roots again, I can do it on here for you guys if you guys are interested. You guys seem to like those a lot. I always get nervous because I'm like, I've done it so many times, but you guys really like it, so yay. And I will give you guys a whole updated hair care routine because I've changed a lot of stuff. So you guys can kind of see how I keep up my red and all that. But honestly, I love it. Just, just be wary. Like, if you're going to get this, make it a color that you like to keep. Not that you want to change up all the time, because I feel like you might have a harder time getting this out in versus like Manic Panic, which comes out very easily. But I absolutely love it. It smells great. My hair feels soft after. And I like that it doesn't stain tubs and all that. And it didn't stain my scalp. And I didn't use any Vaseline or anything. It just came right off. So to me, I love it. I'm going to keep repurchasing it and buying it. It's worth it to me. I like the squeeze tube design all around. I think it's awesome. So 2 thumbs up over here. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want, I can do an update video. And like I said, I'll show you guys again when I do my roots and show you guys how it goes. Alright, thanks guys. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you guys like these kinds of videos. And any other products, or like, especially when it comes to red hair, let me know and I'll see if I can try it and see how it is. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.